Are you struggling with zone entries and making plays to the middle? Well, let's go over the details of the anchor shave sauce, a great mechanic to create separation and get defenders overextended. So for this technique, there's 3 components. The first step is we must scan the middle to assess the D's gap and the mid lane support and speed. The second step is to widen out. From this position, we do the anchor, we turn our hip, and we shave with the outside foot. This creates the separation. After we create the separation, we can do a chippy backhand sauce. That's done from the middle of the blade. Notice the right foot that there's heel elevation. This allows for a balanced rotation, which creates better quality flat saucers.